Okay, I'm here with another 1-minute research tip. Today I'm going to talk about ProQuest Central, one of my favorite databases in the world. You know you're a special kind of nerd when you even have favorite databases, but so be it. So what is ProQuest Central? Well, it's a big old mama jama database found under our list of research databases, P for ProQuest Central. Where is it? I skipped past it. Here it is. It calls itself the largest aggregated full-text database in the market today. Hey, I believe it. It's a great database. Let me talk a little bit about it. So, what is so cool about ProQuest Central? Well, one, it already knows what I want to look for. In this case, metacognition. I'm going to restrict to peer-reviewed, and then I'm going to search. So it's a huge aggregated database. It's just got tons and tons of sources. You can see peer-reviewed alone for this, what I thought was a pretty esoteric term, metacognition, more than 11,000 results. So tons and tons of results. But there's one thing in particular that I really like about ProQuest Central, and it is its cited by function, okay? So our references, we can go here, here's our article, play it again, a new method for testing metacognition in animals, and we can look at the list of references and see, all of the work that they built on to then create and put together this research article, right? Well, the cited by, let me find the one I want to, yeah, this one here, cited by 41, okay? So cited by is kind of like references, except instead of the stuff that, all of the sources that they used and built upon to write their article, these are, you can think of them as future articles that used this article in their research. So there were 41 other researchers who decided that they needed to cite, that is to use this article, the role of metacognitive skills in developing critical thinking, in their own research. And so this does two things. Much like looking at a list of references to find additional sources, you can do that with cited by, except it's going to be more recent stuff, right? Because this is, again, you can think of it as in the future. So we can go here, we can then track down those same sources that used that article, that used this one in particular. We can, if it's available in ProQuest Central or another ProQuest database, we can just jump right to the PDF. That's always fantastic. Or if it's not immediately available, we can click the Find Full Text at A State, and then it might be in another database, or maybe we do have to wind up using interlibrary alone, but that's okay. So you can do that. You can use it to find additional sources, and then it also kind of is a proxy for how important that particular article was. So, if a very low number of people had cited this article, then, that could be that it's just a very niche topic. It could be that it's not that important. It hasn't made that much impact. Or it also might just be that it's gone unnoticed for some reason, or it's just very recent, right? If it's just been published recently, then maybe there hasn't been time for other people to cite it. But I love this cited by function. This is a feature of what's called a citation index. Other databases do it, but ProQuest Central is one of my favorites because it's so big. So again, it can maybe help you pick out the articles. If 2 or 3 articles look very similar to you, you might pick the one that looks to have had more impact, as evidenced by the cited by feature. So this 1-minute research tip has turned into about 3 minutes, but I really like ProQuest Central. I like this feature in it. It's a great database. Come nerd out with me there.